Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm gonna share my first grocery experience in an Indian store in France, and I'm also gonna share you few mistakes I did so that you can avoid them for a better grocery experience. Finally figured out how to use the stove, and after 3 days we are preparing our first meal. Obviously this is the first meal which a lot of international students have, and don't forget to get it because it takes time to go get groceries. Meanwhile this is going to fill your stomach. And today for breakfast we are having this Maggie along with kakra, and we cut the baguette and toasted it and we are having it. Our Airbnb host also gave us these so delicious chocolates, and Lindor is my absolute favorite. Oh my god, I cannot even describe how much I love that. And today I'm having another chocolate which is quite similar to Lindor, but the taste is amazing. I totally loved it. So we took the cash and we're heading to buy the groceries. And this is the first time we stepped out and I saw this. This kind of reminds me of the Taj Hotel in Mumbai, but it's so beautiful, right? I mean, I'm so excited. This is the first time I came out and I'm seeing such beautiful views, but it's so freaking cold. I mean, I'm literally wearing around four pairs of clothes and then a jacket and then thick socks, earmuffs, gloves, everything, and I'm still shivering. Damn, it's really cold because it's the winter, and we just came here by bus. We use public transportation, which is quite convenient. This car is so cute, right? And from here we need to walk a little bit to go to the Indian store. I'm totally in love with these streets. Look at this. It's so peaceful, right? I would walk on the streets forever, a whole day like this. I really liked the ambience here. It's quite different from what I've seen in many different places. This is the first Indian store we are going. It's called Ashi Bazaar. Yeah, definitely. Shivani.
Yeah, I'm going to tell you to record my so many slow motion.
Definitely. As soon as I entered the store, I was literally shocked to see these many pickles. I mean, I never ever imagined these many would exist, firstly. And there's ghee, there are so many ready to eat mixed varieties. There's rice, there's flour, atta, everything, biscuits, rusk. I mean, this is something which I was really not expecting. And there's jelly also. There are many masalas, garam masala, chaat masala, and all the prices nearly 3 euros. So I took the instant ragi dosa mix and then the chapati because these are very quick to make, and badam mix as well. I thought I can have these for breakfast, and I took brinjal pickle which I never imagined existed, and few more other pickle varieties. So after this we were just taking few puliogare powder and tomato mix powder because they're very quick to make when you're going on trip, or if you just come to home during lunch break to make a quick meal. And there are so many paratas, red halwa, black halwa. Damn, this is the first time I got to know about all this. I'm genuinely surprised because I've never seen this in India as well. So but I'm very happy that there are a lot of varieties here, and frozen chapati, dosa, and chole bhature, puri, and I'm so happy by just looking at these items. And the day I'm purchasing it, I never ever imagined I would not even open that. So my first tip is please buy limited, only what is required. And also my biggest mistake is I bought a lot of pickles and a lot of them got wasted. So please don't do that. Please buy in a limited quantity. You can always come back later and buy. Don't forget to check the expiry date before buying. Also, I only came for 3 months, so I got a lot of stuff which got wasted. So please buy in a limited quantity. And I'm genuinely surprised. You can even get mehendi, henna, hair color, everything, literally everything. Here we are just planning for a mini photo shoot in the French streets. The pictures were so amazing. I mean, genuinely, we were so excited for our journey here in France. And yeah, it's going great so far. So we're just going into our second store. Here we got almost the same items, and I got few more pickles, not realizing how much I would regret later. Apart from that, I got few hair oils as well here. I've seen a lot of frozen foods, and the atta is around 14 euros for 5 kgs. You can also get another brand for cheaper price. I found the taste similar in both the brands. You can choose whatever you prefer. And one thing which I noticed commonly is you find here a lot of masalas and a lot of ready-made mixes. Here I've seen kheer. Kheer, this is something which I was least expecting. And look at this dude, dal chapati, methi paratha, pudina paratha, aloo kacha paratha, onion paratha, keema paratha. Oh my god, these look so tempting. I mean, this looks like a whole new feast to me. I'm so excited to see all these parathas here because I love parathas, but they're quite expensive, I
फिश
felt.
बिरयानी है उनके पास, इडियप्पम, जैक फ्रूट हलवा, बोंडा, रेड हलवा, वेजिटेबल बिरयानी, ब्लैक हलवा, व्हीट परोटा, प्लेन परोटा.
All these masalas are around 3 euros, which is nearly 270 rupees. So in case if you are planning to get something from India, once check the price, compare and then get it. You can genuinely get almost everything because I've seen every item one might need here as an international Indian student to cook and eat. Apart from this, these ready-made mixes are very useful. Look at this bisbile bath, paneer makhni, vegetable curry, masala curry, curry rice, pongal. These are very best for traveling because they are included with rice. All you need to just put water in it, and we are done. Now we are just taking pictures near this boat because it's pretty. The window is also so pretty. After searching for 2 weeks, I got to know that I'm gonna get Indian vegetables here. I'm so happy. But after seeing the prices, I got so shocked because my most favorite vegetable is lady's finger, and that's the most expensive here. It's nearly 7.5 to 8 euros, and remaining vegetables were also in similar price. And another mistake I did is I bought nearly 7 different types, but they are only gonna stay in fridge for 6 days. So despite paying so much, it got wasted. So please be careful. And I got here poha, semia, and a lot of other varieties. We finally finished our shopping, and while going home we saw this beautiful, oh my god, it's so pretty, right? So we clicked few pictures here, and now we are heading back to home in the bus. And trust me, I've seen so many beautiful views here. The city is so pretty in the night. But after traveling for so long, I realized something is wrong because we still didn't reach home yet. And then the bus stopped saying this is the last stop. And then we realized we are on the wrong bus. So it took a while for us to figure out the right bus and go to home. We finally reached home so freaking tired. And this is all the stuff I got from the friend store, which I'm gonna make in a different vlog. So don't forget to watch that. And now we are dividing who needs to pay whom how much. And finally, our official first proper meal, even though it's just rice and powder, it's so yum. And it's me using pressure cooker for the first time, so yeah. And finally we arranged everything neatly in the dining table. Thank you so much for watching video until the end. I mentioned the address in the description below. Feel free to reach out to me for any doubts in my email address, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel.